Beverly Hills Adventure. Penelope Penny Higgins, a humble baker from Kansas, experiences a life-changing whirlwind when she wins an all-expenses-paid trip to the glittering world of Beverly Hills. Initially burdened with luxury, Penny's relaxing vacation takes an unexpected turn when she accidentally switches trunks with famous actress Serafina Starlight. Unbeknownst to Penny, Serafina's luggage contains the Snake Eye, a priceless stolen necklace, making her the immediate target of two comically inept jewel thieves, Fingers and Lefty. Navigating the unfamiliar terrain of Beverly Hills, Penny finds an unexpected ally in Ricardo, a charming landscape architect who works on Serafina's estate. Ricardo, charmed by Penny's honesty, helps her evade the clumsy thieves and unravel the mystery surrounding the stolen necklace. Penny's attempts to retrieve the necklace lead her through a series of hilarious mishaps, including a disastrous pool party, an accidental insult to a powerful film producer, and an unexpected appearance on a reality TV show. Despite the chaos, Penny remains true to her Kansas roots, maintaining her good humor and unwavering values. The adventure culminates at a glamorous charity gala hosted by Serafina, where Fingers and Lefty make a last-ditch, desperate attempt to retrieve the necklace. A chaotic chase ensues, but Penny, with Ricardo's help, skillfully outwits the thieves and returns the Snake Eye to its rightful owner. Serafina, deeply grateful for Penny's courage and resourcefulness, offers her a cameo role in her upcoming film. Ultimately, Penny decides to return to her simple life in Kansas, which was forever changed by her escape from Beverly Hills. She leaves with a newfound confidence, a blossoming friendship with Ricardo, and a deeper understanding of herself. Penny realizes that while she values her familiar life, she is also capable of taking on new challenges and navigating unfamiliar territory. She returns home with a renewed appreciation for the comforts of Kansas and the exciting chaos of Beverly Hills. 30-point outline. Introduction: Penny, a baker from Kansas, conquers the road trip. Penny's initial excitement and trepidation. Arrival at Beverly Hills, the Royal Palms Hotel. Suitcase swap with Serafina Starlight. Introduction of the Snake Eye necklace. Inept jewel thieves introduced. Penny's obliviousness to the necklace's presence. Meeting Ricardo, a charming landscape architect. Ricardo's attraction to Penny's down-to-earth nature. Ricardo becomes Penny's ally. A disastrous pool party scene. An accidental insult to a powerful film producer. Penny's unexpected appearance on a reality TV show. Penny's Kansas values remain intact. Serafina hosts the charity gala. Fingers and Lefty attempt to steal the necklace. A chaotic chase through the ballroom. Penny and Ricardo outwit the thieves, returning the necklace to Serafina. Serafina's gratitude and offer of a movie role. Penny's decision to return to Kansas. Penny's newfound confidence. A blossoming friendship with Ricardo. Ricardo promises to visit Penny in Kansas. Penny's deeper understanding of herself. Gratitude for her simple life in Kansas. Acknowledging her ability to cope with challenges. Embracing new experiences. A renewed appreciation for Beverly Hills, despite the chaos. Conclusion: Penny returns home forever changed.